Hi guys! Mon Montenegro, ang inyong call center agent vlogger. So for today's video, andito tayo ngayon sa Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar at SM San Lazaro. So guys, ang Peri Peri ay known for sauce bar. As you can see, they have a different kind of sauces like Harasa Exotic, Chili Pepper, Mesquite Barbecue, Spice Vinegar, and many more. So, ito yung kanilang mga menu. So, we ordered half chicken, baby back ribs, Java rice, carafe iced tea, and bolognese pasta. So, guys, napakasarap ng mga food dito, guys. As you can see, hawak-hawak ko yung carafe iced tea. Nakakatuwa. So, ayun yung carafe iced tea. Tapos, ito yung bolognese pasta, red sauce. As you can see guys, mainit-init pa yan. They serve talaga na mainit dito sa restaurant na to. And we have, ayan yung half chicken guys. Actually guys, hati na yung half chicken na yan. And this is the baby back ribs guys. As you can see, ang tender niyan guys. Sobrang sarap. Ayan, matakam kayo guys. Sobrang sarap, promise. So, ayan yung half chicken and ito nga pala guys, as you can see kanina, half yung inano ko kasi hinati na namin yan. Ang tender niyan guys, sobra. And then, this is the baby back ribs. Ayan. Ang sarap guys, promise. Malaki siya. Parang 6 na layer yata yan. And this is the Java rice. Authentic yung amoy niyan guys. Sobrang ang sarap. Ayan, ganito yung itsura ng half chicken nila guys. Ayan. Ayan guys. And ayan yung sauces guys. And di ko na matandaan kung anong sauce yung kinuha ko. Excited na kasi ako kumain guys. And as you can see, the interior ng Peri Peri dito sa SM San Lazaro. Sobra ako na-amaze. Sobrang ganda. And then ang linis. And share ko lang din sa inyo. Sobrang mabait na mga staff dito. And they are very accommodating. And as you can see guys, ayan. Ang linis, diba? And usually guys, share ko lang sa inyo. Pumupunta ako sa mga restaurant weekdays. Di kasi ako fan ng weekdays eh. Kasi ang daming tao. So, prefer ko talaga yung weekdays para konti lang yung tao niyan. So guys, ayan, kumakain na ako. Matakam kayo. Sobrang sarap guys. And nire-rate ko tong store na to 10 out of 10. Kasi ang ganda talaga ng service nila. And then yung food, 10 out of 10 guys. So very recommendable ito guys. Sana makapunta kayo dito sa SM San Lazaro. And yun lamang guys. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mon Montenegro, and to my Facebook account, Mon Montenegro. Yun lamang guys. And then sunod na ito guys, since kumakain lang ako dito sa video na to, iba background music lang yan natin guys. So bye bye!